Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Harshvika. On this channel we talk a lot about making money online as a creative person, as an artist. Today video I'm gonna walk you through the Zazzle designer dashboard. We're gonna take which options you can use for creating your designs and which options you cannot use, because there is a lot of the confusion in the people, in the designers and the sellers, and people asking me questions because Zazzle keep on updating their platform in Zazzle designer tools, so some people get confused. So I'm gonna put some clarity what you can use and what is in the safe zone and what is not in the safe zone. So let's dive in. Give this video a big thumbs up, consider subscribing, turn on the bell notification for more such videos. I have products and courses and masterclasses, all sorts of, to help you guys make money. The links are in description. Definitely worth the shot, and I keep on updating my products from time to time without any extra cost from your side. Worth the shot. If you're interested, the links are in description. Let's begin. So this is a Zazzle designer dashboard look like. You are already familiar with that, and this is a product I pick up random. It's a postcard just for the sake of videos. Now what you can see, now there are the three different options. The people are often confused: the elements, icons, and background. So today I'm going to talk about these three options and what you can use, what is in the safe zone and what is not the safe zone. And so first let's talk about the elements. Now element is the safe zone. Before, Zazzle were only having these 5 elements. They were not having these elements. These elements were introduced quite a few months back only, so it wasn't there before. Before, you only have these 5 elements and everybody knows that you can use these elements and it's safe zone. But when Zazzle actually introduced these other elements like the graphics, text, borders, lines, shapes, and frames, people get confused. Can we use it, or it's only for customers, or it's for sellers? You can use it. So what you have to do, for example, if I go over to the graphics, you can pick up any graphic. For example, I pick up this heart graphic. Now for your safety, there is an eye icon over here. Click over to this eye icon and it's mentioning about add to this design to embracing heart. Wait a second guys. So in the eye icon, you can read about this particular art. You can read about whether you can add or not. This is for the graphics. If I go and check over the text section, this is the thing you need to see. Whenever you're going in the element section, check this Zazzle logo. This is a free public domain element provided to you by Zazzle. Use of this royalty-free element in a published product will not affect your royalty. So make sure when you using any element, check if the Zazzle logo is there or not. So the Zazzle logo is here, it's here, and you can read about this so that you are make sure that you can use it. It's safe to use in your design and it's not going to affect your royalty, and it's royalty free. So some things are in safe zone and some things are not in safe zone. You got to read for every element that you're using whether you can use it or you cannot use it. So I'm not sure about this heart one because I don't see that element here. We're gonna see it in a second. But this text is the safe. Like if I go over to the eye icon, it's mentioned over here royalty free. You're gonna see this badge when you're gonna go over to any element. Go to the eye button or eye icon, whatever, and then you're gonna see this green mark saying royalty free. And if it's royalty free, you can definitely use it in your designs. Not gonna affect your royalty, 100% fine. Okay, you can go with this eye icon or you can read this Zazzle icon. Now with this one, I'm not sure because I didn't see here. You see, there is no, if you go in the element section, I don't see the Zazzle symbol over here. I only see the eye icon, and in the eye icon nothing is mentioned whether you can use it or you cannot use it. Before, the first time when they introduced this one, there was a royalty free mark on this graphics as well. It was there, but now I cannot see. So let us check whether we can use it or not. Just click over to the done and you see you cannot use this. you cannot use this. Sell it option is hidden because this is only for customer. So you need to check for every element whether it's safe zone or not. And even if you put it on your design, what's going to happen, you cannot sell them. So if I put on this design, I don't know it's royalty free or not, and I click over to the done, you can see the sell it option is hidden because I use this element, and which is only for the customer, it's not royalty free. So you won't be able to proceed further selling a particular product if you put any element or any icon or anything on your design which is not royalty free and which is only for customer, which is not for you. Okay, so you can see I cannot move forward, so I'm just gonna delete it, and we're gonna check with the text. So for example, if I use this hello, okay, okay, we have the hello here. So if I click over to the done, and now you see I can sell it, the sell option is available. That means this is the royalty free. So the best way to check if you're confused it's royalty free or not and it's not mentioned, put that design on your particular product that you're designing and click done. And when you come out of the Zazzle designer dashboard, if you see the sell it icon, that means you can use it. And if you cannot see the sell it icon, it's hidden, I already shown you before, that means you cannot use this. Simple, right? Because this is a thing that we need to keep in mind if it's going to affect our royalty or not. Okay, I'm just gonna delete it. I take it 2 times, so I'm just gonna clear everything, and let's gonna check other things in the element section. So the graphics, we cannot use it. Text, we can use it. So let's check the borders and lines. Now borders and lines are safe right now. Actually, this is, I'm telling you at the time of filming this video. If in future this thing changes, definitely things will going to change. I'm gonna make an updated video. But here you see the Z icon, right? So it's a royalty free. Again, you can confirm by putting it on design and click done, and if you see the sell it option, that means it's safe. Let's check for the shapes. Now for the shapes, I think it's, you can use it. You cannot use graphics, but you can use shapes. That's kind of like the thing. So you see the Z icon, so that means you can use the shapes. You cannot use the graphics. Before you were able to use the graphic as well. Now they have changed it. They have updated this, so that's something new. The frames, you can use it. So you see which one you can use it, which one you cannot use it, and it can change with time. Okay. The second option we have is the icons. Icons is not for you as a seller. It's for customer. For example, if I go to the cats icon and I pick up, for example, this on my design, okay, and click done, I cannot see the sell it icon. The sell it icon is hidden, and what it's saying, you cannot post a product for sale if a design contains icons or content that you do not own. So it's only for customers, not for the sellers. Okay, so icons is, the whole section is not for the sellers, it's only for the customers. And in the elements, the graphics is the only exception, rest you can use it. What about the backgrounds? Now you can use the specific colors, like you can use the colors, but when you go down you see a lot of the backgrounds. Can you use them? The eye icon is there and there is no royalty free. You see the royalty free mark? No, it's not there. That means you cannot use it. Even if I take it on my design, for example, I take it, click over to the done, you see the sell it option is hidden. I cannot use this. It's only for the customer, it's not for the seller. So this is the way to check this one, which you can use it as royalty free and which you cannot use it. So hopefully this video get you some clarity, because Zazzle keep on updating stuff and people get confused. So this is a clarity video. Let me know if it's helpful. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.